Good morning. Welcome to the breakfast show. This morning we'll be focusing on the US market. So let me just adjust this a bit. Yeah. Okay. So what has happened, you have noticed we have 4th of July celebration and the market did close pretty well over the, what was that? The second half or more like second half of the quarter or first half of June 2026. Let me just get this lens right. Yeah. So it has transpired to a very strong closing both from the Dow Jones, but let's take a look at where we have for at least the second half of the year, which is 2027. So this morning our focus will be on SmartRobie, and many of you know we have the new AI vision, which means a lot of the stocks, the Pentagon Guider, has been filtered out. So that's why you're finding less stock, because we are looking for those that have the best AI vision scoring in here. There's actually a scoring that we put for this, so that would actually help many of the stocks becoming more, responsive or accurate, and as such that it should be able to bring you some decent return that we hope through the AI vision that we apply on our Pentagon Guider chart. So this is another AI layer that we put on to help our user both from the US market as well as the Bursa Malaysia, SGX and Hong Kong. So you take note of that one. Alright, for those of you who don't know, you can still use the our Pentagon Guider for our daily use, and that will be the most beneficial to most of our members here. Okay, so that's where we are leading to, and perhaps you will find some of these will be very, very beneficial to your ongoing stock pick. Alright, the US market, we also have the Sharia screening, so you can filter those stocks that are Sharia compliance in here. Our monthly return in terms of our board, you can also check it out on our website, and also the win rate, which is going very, very strong. But of course in the US market we tend to promote or recommend the copy SmartRobie Boat 60 to all our member. Now if you're a member of Boat 60, you would have enjoyed the pretty decent return. If you're on Boat 60 now, it's about 36% return for the year. Just for the last 6 months, that is actually very good. But of course, if you're trading on your own using the Boat 60, you may not get the kind of return, but at least you should get at least double-digit return so far if you have started beginning of the year. All right. So if you're not, you want to check out our Boat 60. Now, how to use SmartRobie in here? There is the buy call and the sell call. There's also the stock chart where you can analyze each other stocks and then go from there. At the same time, you can also discover stocks like this. Many of our users tend to only buy the Magnificent 7. I'm not saying that it's bad, but if the Magnificent 7 don't perform, then you are let off with disappointing return so far. The Magnificent 7 has been doing quite well. So, but if you want to have another strategy exposure, Boat 60 is definitely for that. It is using the Pony Express, means we are doing a lot of the short-term momentum trading, which is given up by the Pentagon Guider. That's how we got it. So the morning focus will be on the US market. So let's take a look at the what we have. Now we have the options here. Let me just bring up the copy SmartRobie here. So you have this is like onboarding tutorial. You have the S&P 500. Alright, you have the S&P 500. Then you have the Robie FA list. You have the trending stock, which look into the strong trend up. The Robie FA is all the fundamental stocks. Pentagon Guider is the our default stock pick, and it's been doing very well. Right? We have the premium alert and also the hot sector. But do keep in mind these are as of last Thursday, because we have the Friday holiday on the US side. So let's take a look at the S&P 500. All right, the screen has turned blank on me, so I reactivated it back. Okay, just have to reconnect it again. Alright, so we are looking at S&P 500 right now. Let me just get the connection ready back. And we're going to bring in the SmartRobie here. There you go. So you have the S&P 500. Let's hit on the S&P 500 and take a look at it. So you'll see last Friday, right? Now for some reason it was stuck. You got Apple, which was up 4%. You got Intel down 5%. Now a lot of semiconductor was selling off a bit. So you got Beto share, which is also up. Then you go on right to the bottom here, the gainer. You got the TDM, Vertex, decliner. Scandis was down 14%. Yeah, a lot of the tech stocks was taken out. Even STX was down 10%. That's a lot. Western Digital also took a hit too, right? Then you can see that. So let's take a look at the S&P 500 stock. Let me just bend this the other way. So right now the red Pentagon was really spot on. You can see here, since then the market sort of moved out. It did test back the old high, another test, but eventually when the breakout that you see, breaking above, what level is this here? Let me just bring out the level here. That will be the 7,500 level. So if we can break up the 7,500 level, that we will see this market really responding to the higher side of it in here. All right, so right now market seems to be green light way, and we continue to monitor some of the news that is coming out from the US side, whether this is eventually is going to be turned out to be good or is it going to be bad. But no doubt about it, you've been following the US side in terms of the SmartRobie with a copy both 60, you should do pretty decently. Now a couple of trades we will be closing tonight, and we will be opening one new trade tonight too. So follow that to the inbox that we have. Again, our copy SmartRobie, these are the function. We did talk about the US today here, which is pretty much what you see in S&P 500. And if you can scroll down, these are all your little information that you need, nuggets of it. Then we have the stock screener, right? Stock screener. If you look at the stock screener here, you got the Robie FA list, which is this one. Okay, they have the trending stocks, Pentagon Guider, and Premium Alert. Those are different stocks. You can sort of check them out too. Okay, and we're going to move on to Pentagon Guider. So let's give. So the Pentagon Guider list. Let me just bring back here. Yep, the Pentagon Guider list here that we have. And we have almost 15 stocks. I've chosen 2, so let's move on to the Google Sheets that I have every week, right? You can get this. So this week, 6th of July, we pick up 2 stock, AJK. So you can see AJK. Let's say AJK is item number 6, and also Apple. I think Apple was item 11, 12. Oh, Apple is not there. Apple is a new list that we put in, so we will see later on. We'll put inject that into the Pentagon Guider, right? Because we limit up to about 15 lists over there. So you have the Apple, which is a 2nd of July here, tech, right? And so let's take a look at AJK, okay, AJG, sorry, which is item number 5. So let's look at the stock chart here. So AJG is a financial. So year to date is only up minus 1.4%. So that's seems to be a lot of potential to the upside. Okay, so you can see here, market in range now, broke through the 220, and then green Pentagon followed. But remember, we actually picked up on Wednesday. So Thursday it already started more, and Friday was a holiday. Let's see how this market will go, right? Next stock we have is Apple, just turned green Pentagon. Okay, Apple, let's look at it. Apple year-to-date return is, let me just flip this back, is 13%, so not too bad. The last couple of move. 1 month was only, if you look at it, the last 7 days, a big move. Last 7 days was almost 12% in here. So let's look at Apple. This is our stock pick for this evening, and you can see pretty nice move, right? Went up to about 100 and 316, and I definitely is going to retest back the 316 for the Apple stocks in here. Just turned green Pentagon, and you could see from the last March that he actually moved from 260 all the way to red Pentagon, dropping at 309. So that will be a nice move, and we will likely to see a new high should it break above the 300 $120 for Apple stock. So that's something you want to keep mind of that. The new stocks that we pick in here, that will certainly be interesting to see when we come back 2 weeks and examine those stocks. All right, those are the two stocks that we picked, but let's take a look at the some of the previous stock pick that we have. Previously was the US 2026. We have Ematec, which was on 18th of June. So let's take a look at Ematec. Now Ematec did actually achieve the 4.5%. We only hit 3.1%. Year to date is 12.2%, but it did have the red pentagon. You can see, right? Let me just flip this again. So from the time to go, which was here, green pentagon, it sort of moved sideways. Then the red pentagon came out. We already exited on that trade for our Copy SmartRobie. Now, to take note, some of these stocks in here are part and parcel of the Copy SmartRobie. So if you are listening to our morning breakfast show, you'll be picking up those stocks to show you that the Copy SmartRobie is doing what it's doing, really performing, right? But we also have a good and bad side of it. We also have the IBKR. Okay, so IBKR is here. Let me click on the stocks. IBKR is up 35% this year to date return. So you can see IBKR, when we had the green pentagon, it was on 17th of June. The market just new high and then came back, red pentagon, but did hold up at this level here around the $82 and now seems to pop up again, retesting back the last high at $99. So this stock's not going down. I think there's still room to go up, and you can see from the year to date it is up, what was that, 35%, up 35%, which is very good. So those are the two stocks. And remember, this week we had the AJG, our stock pick, and also Apple. All right, and if we do perform well, that's something great to look after. So we done the Pentagon Guider, right? And so Pentagon Guider basically measures the beginning of the new trend, right? Hopefully we see a new trend with the Apple. We done that one. So Pentagon Guider, which is powered by the powering the SmartRobie, it is making it simple to a green to buy, red thing to sell. All right, that's about it. And put it into your watch list, any of the stocks that you have, whether it's Bursa, the Singapore Stock Exchange, or the Hong Kong and the US market. Whenever you get an alert, you'll be notified, right? Green to buy, red thing to sell. Okay, so I think Copy SmartRobie for the US version, I think many of you are already familiar. All right, let's take a look at the markets. So first thing you go is go to tradevsa.com. From then, you just need to go over to our services. We also have the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, which is really a big performer. Check that one out, but for this context this morning, we just look at the US board here, and you can see it's 33.6% compared to 9.7%. Still pretty good. All the things that we have, grand return about 46% over the last 2 years. Is here. You can see this is the equity curve, and that's what we want our members. That the fund that you put in, and if you were to trade it, it goes up in a nice straight up arrow and not downtrend, right? Last couple of trades didn't work out. You can also see the history. Ematec was that one, right? 1.9 we exited. Interactive Group we actually lost 5%, and Target we also lost. Visa we make a couple. Airbnb we were 3%. Ralph Lauren was a good one, 10% return. So you can check out all our returns from in here. That will give you a good snapshot in here. I think the other one was done pretty well is the Hong Kong one. More volatile in here. You need 50,000 in here, so you can see from here, which is year to date is 54% return, and some of those stocks you can see the equity curve is really a straight line for this one. It's both 81, right? 11%. You can also get a 10% loss. Check out this one in here. Let us know what you think about some of these trades for other Hong Kong stocks. All right. So we got a lot of good captured, a lot of gold ball that we pick up in January for our board 60, around 11%, 3%. Check it out from the stocks that we have in here. Why choose Copy SmartRobie? You will paper trade first. Before really risking real money, you want to build that skill, that confidence with paper trading, a smart way to start off, right? You can check out our results that we have in here, definitely way to move forwards, right? I think if you're just interested in making good returns, Copy SmartRobie is definitely one way to look into it, and don't fall into it. Perfect for those who want to learn about the market. Then you can watch, mirror, and follow it too, right? You can subscribe the Boat 60 through our in-app apps. 50 ringgit for 1 month, so for 3 months is 150 ringgit. So that's the end of our Copy SmartRobie breakfast show in here, as well as great success story from our members, right? And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube for more YouTube information and also training tips. That's all we have. I'll see you on Wednesday for our live session on FB. Bye bye.